What is up, everybody? We're here in JPM to do my mini to fill the charity break. It was a struggle, but we did it. Eventually, finally, we did it. So, get our first timestamp. Guess I gotta go down to the bottom, right? We're live at 6:47 p.m. It is 6:47. We are gonna grab our list. We got Mr. Hodgenowski on top and Mr. Weber on the bottom. Guys, we are going 3 times top 3 win. So I will get us a fresh list. Adam on top, Scott on the bottom. No spaces in between. And guys, just a heads up, after I post this video, we're going to have to go chop, chop, chop to break because I want to do this before my hockey tonight. So it's not a late night break. So 3 times. 1, 2. Adam and Dave. And Dave. That timestamp is in at 6:48. It is 6:48. Third and final time. Good luck, everybody. Mike, Dave, and Adam. Mike, Dave, and Adam. Congratulations. And that third timestamp is in at 6:48. It is 6:48 again, guys. 3 times Mike, Dave, and Adam. Congratulations and thank you.